So international lawyers tend to think that there is one order that binds all states and that binds all equally, except of course for bilateral treaties, but in principle the ideal is that everybody is subject to the law in the same way. At the same time, international law is an order that is particularly dependent on the states that make it, because it's the states, the different states that have international law in their hands and can shape its content. So in a sense, there's a tension between the universal and the particular in international law anyway. And Western international lawyers, European and North American, have tended to assume that the international law that we think of, it's international law construed in places like Geneva and New York and The Hague, is the international law. And especially after the end of the Cold War, we have stopped looking at the way others do international law and have simply assumed that they should be part of our international law. And that is being challenged, in a sense, by Russia's ascendance and its more self-confident promotion of particular ideas about international law, but of course also by Asian actors, China, India, that try to shape international law in a much more open and thorough way than before and have turned from norm takers to norm makers in a way. So really, I think we have to look at those different actors if we want to understand the way international law is shaped these days.